Those are the horse-drawn carriages from Lampan. Okay, here come the last two floats. Again, a picture of the King's sister who passed away last month. Don't forget the pretty girls on the floats. Beautiful. There's the next one over here. Girls got the parasol to protect them from the sun. They don't like the sun here in Chiang Mai. They like the white skin. I think it's getting crowded, folks. I might have to come back early in the morning to shoot the pictures of close up on the floats because there's so many people down there. I'll show you how tight they are down there. Hey, we can zoom into some of these people getting their pictures taken. Everybody wants their pictures taken in front of the flowers on the floats. That's a lot of people. Okay. Some bonsai trees here, and it shows all the ribbons that they won. Different categories, big and small. Then turn around. See the floats up here. So you get real close. See. Take pictures. Really nice. You got bell peppers in it. Oh, I wish you could smell these roses. They smell great. And all these orchids here. Orchids and mums. Nghe lại chứ?
Quay hả, bê tông còn.
Nó luôn mấy khói hẻm này.
Bê tông.
Bê tông. The seeds on here. Very nice.
นี่กินได้นี่กินได้
ใช่กินได้ใช่ I like this one. This is Wat Chetty Luang, which is just down the road. And it's a flower interpretation in this flow. It's done very well. See everybody standing, getting their pictures taken in front of it. Very nice. All made of flowers. Took a lot of time to do this. Very nice. These are some of the flowers on display here. People, you can come by and have your picture taken by them. And you can see all the way down there, there's all different kinds of, there's cactus next door and a lot of other things here. Green type of plants, greeneries. Different kinds of ornamental lettuce and cabbage. And this is a judge. He's going by to judge these displays on the unique kind of plants, water features, things like that. So they're judging those. There's a variety of flowers here. You see here more water features. Oh, he just turned it off. I don't know why. Wow, I really like these. These are really cool looking. Wow, these look really cool. I really like these. Back it up and show you the whole display. Nobody's behind me here. Looking good. Wow. Very nice. Okay, this is by far the favorite. This is the award-winning orchids. As you can see here. I'm not going to get my tripod out and try to shoot these for you. But they're all way down there. There's a lot of them. That one's unusual. Look at this one. Wow, is that cool or what? Now, orchids usually don't smell very much, but these smell really good. They don't take much water either. So, wow. Okay, I promise, no more orchids. This is about the end of it. It runs for more than a city block. It's just absolutely remarkable. Okay, folks, this is a new one to me. Nipple fruit. Pretty strange. I don't know if you can eat it or not. It's pretty wild looking. These are for sale. So they're called miniature orchids. See here. They're very nice. Cute. More flower sellers. Buy all these kind of flowers here. Let's look at some of these. Wow. Cactus is very popular in Thailand. You can see here they've got some really nice ones. Very popular. Some more over there. So they're doing a booming business here.